Today, there are various methods available for positioning your brand. One method that stands out for its cost-effectiveness is email marketing campaigns. Since its design and implementation generate better returns on investment. That's why we invite you to stay until the end so that you can resolve all your doubts about how to effectively run your email marketing campaigns. Best practices for your email marketing strategy.
Best practices for your email marketing strategy. 1. Contact segmentation.
To connect with your audience, it is essential to understand your target audience, so you know how to communicate with them and identify the needs that your brand can address. This is achieved through the segmentation of the target audience. Try to gather as much information as possible about your customers: age, gender, preferences, geographic location. Anything you can know will improve your campaign. This is a process that requires a lot of attention and monitoring. Therefore, tools that assist you in automated segmentation are preferable.
2. A/B testing.
There is no better tool to help you understand which elements are working and which need improvements. A/B testing involves conducting an experiment where you divide each segment into 2 groups. Subsequently, you send the same information to each group, but with slight changes in the text and design. The goal is to measure the reactions and determine which one has a better effect.
3. Personalization.
Having a well-segmented audience allows us to offer highly personalized products or services. The target audience will feel that your product or service is designed specifically for them. This is what you need to finally get that desired click.
4. Integration with the website.
Your website should be the cornerstone of your digital marketing strategy, whether it's for products or services. There, you should have all the information about your company and the elements that help potential clients lean towards your offer. It is essential that all website forms are integrated with the contact lists of your email marketing campaigns. By doing so, you can create automated campaigns that keep your brand in the minds of your potential customers.
5. Use of metrics and reports.
To achieve the set objectives, you need to know if the actions are working or if they require any changes. The use of metrics and reports is the best way to achieve that. Reports provide details of each action of your audience: click-through rates, conversions, new subscribers, unsubscribes, and much more information that you can use to improve.
6. Send only to contacts with consent.
It may be tempting to hire mass email services to reach potential clients, but this practice can be counterproductive for your brand in the long run. Exactly, because these pseudo-companies create programs to obtain emails without the owner's authorization. This practice is known as spam marketing or intrusive email marketing. And it is penalized by email service providers like Gmail and Outlook. Also by the email servers of the receiving companies. And it may even be subject to legal penalties, the severity of which depends on the country. Unwanted emails, instead of attracting potential and existing customers, can push them away. Creating a customer database may take more time, but each registered customer represents genuine business potential and is far more valuable than 300,000 possibilities of being penalized. In a future installment, we will delve deeper into this topic. Register and click the bell icon to stay tuned and not miss it.
7. Call to action.
In every email, your audience should receive an invitation to take action. Completing a form, reviewing an article, downloading a document, calling a number, or making a purchase are some examples. These actions should be designed to bring the interested party closer to the goal set by the business. The call to action should be presented as something relevant and should make people feel like they are part of your growth without being intrusive. In conclusion, The proper use of email marketing campaigns ensures a significant return on investment. Do not fall into the temptation of using spam marketing. In the long run, it will be very detrimental to your brand and reputation. Perform A/B tests to determine which campaign is better. Regularly review the metrics and reports to make adjustments accordingly. Always include a call to action for your audience. If you conduct email marketing following the right guidelines, you will achieve the expected benefits at a low investment cost. If you need assistance with your email marketing campaigns, contact us. Our team will be delighted to support you in the digital transformation of your business or project's marketing. If this video has been of interest to you, give us a thumbs up. And subscribe for more information about technology, marketing, and business. Greetings and success.